We finally arrived Nansha Temple, around 1.5 hours from Guangzhou city center. But before,
even to enter a temple, you can pay with QR code.
look back. Let's go.
Okay, so let's buy some incense. The grandiose site made to worship the goddess of the sea is the biggest Mazu temple in Southeastern Asia and the largest palace compound of its kind in the world.
This place is amazing, isn't it? So beautiful. There's a thing at the atmosphere here. It's peaceful. You like that? You look so beautiful in this Chinese dress.
So guys, we are leaving the Nansha temple and we are going to the seafront or riverfront.
seaside.
Okay, the seaside, well, we are going to the waterfront, that's for sure. And I just looked back and you don't feel like leaving, really. It's just so beautiful, it's enchanted.
Amazing, I'm glad we came. And I hope you guys, if you have the chance, you're in Guangzhou.
If you come to Guangzhou, this is a must-see place for sure. Beautiful.
Let's go. So don't forget, if you are in Guangzhou, don't miss the chance to come and visit Nansha, the Queen of Heaven temple.
Yeah, it's absolutely beautiful.
Absolutely.
Top priority while you're in town.
Yeah, it's something that when you stop in front, you just like, whoa. And she wore the hat. Look. Okay, now we are on our way to the subway station. Just outside of the temple, when you exit the gate, there's this village. Chinese architecture, buildings. It's beautiful. Let's have a walk around and see what they have. Maybe a tea house. Ooh, that won't be bad, huh?
Banana.
Oops. I'm glad there's a stabilizer, just to step into some rock. Oh, it's closed? Well, we can cross the river and go by that way.
Yeah.
Yes. And there is a drop of water in my lens. So outside the Nansha temple, there's this beautiful park which you can walk through on the way back to the subway or when you are coming to the Nansha temple as well. Up to you. Look how beautiful is the garden. Yeah?
Pretty boy.
This is my flower. So as we say, we are done with Nansha temple today and now we are on our way to Rainbow Light.
Really nice bigger restaurant here in Guangzhou. And yes, we're gonna go and enjoy a dinner with our friends.
Paparazzi! Paparazzi balinese!
So that was it for today, guys. We just had our dinner, and you make sure to check the link below to our blog if you want to know all the information you need on how to get to the temple. Bye!